Anytime now, all set now, ready to rate. And the race is on. Reading Machine from the outside. Touch of Gold in the middle. Running down on the inside, the Senior Cricket. Forest All is racing in third. Running in fourth by some 4 lengths. Then comes Spellbinder and Swab Tiger. Touch of Gold. Reading Machine is on the outside. And Senior Cricket is running in third. And running in fourth is Forest All. Rounding the far turn, Touch of Gold by 3/4 of a length, followed by Reading Machine. Senior Cricket, Forest All getting closer in port as they raise the final corner. Touch of Gold still hanging to that 3/4 length, followed by Reading Machine from the outside. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Touch of Gold, Reading Machine is on the outside, Forest All, but still Touch of Gold by a length and a half. And finally, Touch of Gold, Reading Machine, Forest All, Senior Cricket, Swab Tiger, and Spellbinder comes last.
May katwiran niya